Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word often used in art, photography, and design: silhouette. It might look tricky at first, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is silhouette. Let's break it down. First, we have sill, which sounds like sill, as in a windowsill. Next is oo, which has a soft oo sound, like in zoo. Finally, we have et, which rhymes with net or set. Now, let's put it all together. Silhouette. Try repeating after me. Silhouette. Now, a little faster. Silhouette. And at full speed. Silhouette. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Silhouette refers to the dark shape or outline of something visible against a lighter background, like a shadow or an outline of a person against the sunset. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce silhouette and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.